Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm working with a company, a small business off Instagram called Lunar Lash. So it's some more eyelashes, it's another eyelash review, and this time it's a different way of putting them on. So the difference with these lashes is you actually apply them under your own natural lash. Which is supposed to be a lot more comfortable, and so far I've got mine on already, and yeah, they are much more comfortable. So I was sent a starter kit and I got 3 different boxes of lashes, a little mini glue and an applicator, and my lashes are in the style volume. At the moment they've got 3 different types. There's a natural lash, volume, and then there's a new one called Flair that's about to go up for sale. So I thought I'd go for the volume, so they're not too over the top, but the great thing about these is you control how much or how big the lashes are. So as I said, they come in different styles, but they also come in different lengths. So what I got in my kit was 10mm, 12mm and 14mm. So as I've already used some of mine, I've only got one left in there, but as you can see, that's the 10mm. And that's the 14mm, so there's quite a little bit of difference. So the millimetre means the actual length of the lash, and the fullness of the lash, I suppose. So what you do with the lashes is you actually cut them into little pieces and you create what's called a lash map. So you get this little leaflet as well. So a lash map is how you want your lashes to look. So usually you go for slightly shorter on the outside and inside, and then longer in the middle. And you decide how many pieces you want. So I'll just talk to you about some of the prices. So 3 sets of lashes are £20, and you can mix and match. So you can have the different styles and the different lengths, or if you decide you want all 14, you can go like that. One set comes in at £8, and this is only a mini glue, but a normal full-size glue, I'll put a picture in now. That's £10. And they've very kindly given me a discount code for you of 15%. So you just quote Belinda 15 and you get 15% off your order. So the other extra bits you're going to need to apply the lashes are a pair of scissors, that's to actually cut them down. I would suggest a spoolie of some description. This one's a really good one from Real Techniques, it's metal, and that will help you just to separate the lashes at the end. I would also have a couple of cotton buds just in case you have any accidents with the glue. A spare pair of tweezers, because as I found when I was going along it got a little bit fiddly, so another pair of tweezers was really helpful. And then I just have a facial wipe available, doesn't matter which brand, and that's to help clean the applicator because the glue does get a little bit sticky and you need to make sure that that is absolutely clean so the lashes don't get stuck to it. Right, so I'm just going to switch over to a closer angle now and I'm going to show you how to put them on. Right, up close and personal now. So I've already created my lash map. I'll just pop a picture in now. So to start with, I'm just going to try 3 lashes, sort of to go really where I've put the eyeliner, and then I'll put normal mascara on the rest, but depending on how we go I might put a bit more on. So what I'm going to start with, I'm actually going to use the Lunar Lash glue to give this a go. You can use any glue that you want to, but this is a very gentle glue, and some other eyelash glues irritate my eyes, so I'm hoping this one's not going to. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of glue under my lash. I think I'm going to do this one at a time just to start with to see how we go. So the first lashes, sorry I've got a mirror there so it might look away a bit. Right, so as you can see I've got a white lash. So the difference with these, which I just can't quite get used to, is they go under your own lashes. So you have to apply them about 1mm, 2mm away from the root. So quite close, but not actually on your eyelid, inner eyelid. So that's about 1mm. And then what you do with these, you just clamp it into place and hold it. Wow, how easy was that? This is honestly the first time of me using these. I cannot believe I've just got that in perfectly. So I'm just going to let that dry. What I will do at the end, I'll go through them with one of these. This is a metal one. It's really good actually, from Real Techniques. Just because a couple of the lashes are sort of clumped together a little bit there, but I shall wait till they've set in place. Okay, lash number 2. Be careful not to blink because it goes on your bottom lash. And then what I'm going to do with that, just give it a little clamp. Just be careful, you don't need to do it for too long. It's just to pinch them together in the first instance. You don't have to leave it to dry because otherwise it gets stuck to the tweezers. Okay, number 3. Just go straight on, look at that. Just move it into place a little bit and then just make sure your tweezers or applicator are very clean because the glue can get on them and then it get a bit sticky. And if they're sticky, they'll get stuck to the lash. So I was only going to do 3, but I'm going to cut a little bit more off one of these lashes and pop another one on. That is the great thing about these. You can just keep cutting bits until you get a look that suits you or a look that you want. So I'm going to go in with the other one now. And there it is. Wow! So I'm just going to pop one more on, but I'm going to go down a size to the 10mm just to do the inner corner. And then the final one, so this is the 5th. Right, so that's the first eye done. I'm absolutely delighted with that. Really like the look that that's achieved. Yeah, lovely. So what I will do, once it's dried, like I say, I'll just have a little go through with this spoolie. Just to spread the lashes apart. Right, I'm just going to do the other eye now, and I think I'll put you on a time lapse for this one. So that's it, mine are all on. It did get a little bit fiddly, as with anything, gets better with practice. And by the end of it, the second eye, I was just able to fit them all on straight away, bar one. So yeah, I'm absolutely delighted with those. As I said at the beginning of the video, they feel very lightweight. I can feel them because they're quite long as well. But they're not uncomfortable, not at all. So yeah, really, really pleased with those. So what an absolutely brilliant different way of wearing lashes. I found them easier to put on underneath than I do on the top. I tend to get in a big mess with strip lashes for some reason. And I've even bought some individual lashes, which I've used on some of my get readies with me. And I get in a bit of a pickle with them. So yeah, I did find putting them under my lash a lot easier. Yeah, so let me know what you think of those. So I'll pop all the details in the description box down below, along with that big old discount code. So hopefully you'll pop over to Instagram and maybe make a purchase. I mean, you can buy just one set for £8. So with the discount, 15% on top of that, that's not bad at all, is it? So yeah, that's that video over. If you've enjoyed that video, please do hit the like button, and that helps with the algorithms on YouTube. I always forget to say hit the like button, but that really does help. Leave me any comments down below and I'll always answer them. And if you're not already a subscriber, maybe you might want to hit the button now. Right, so I'm off now. I hope you've enjoyed that one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.